Uno?
Hell no, I'm going live on my Facebook. And then we can play Uno. I don't even know how to play Uno.
You don't know how to play Uno?
Nah! I know how to, what? Teach me, I learn quick.
If two cars face it, if you hold the car straight up, then you can call the number behind. Right there. If you want to, right now, just click that way and drop it. Sean, everything.
She going out to her ass gonna be out.
She just looked at her check. How much it is? How much it is? 350 something.
I don't know what to say. Before my life start, the topic, my like to boil down things first. See? Oh well, look at my overgram. I do a live. I don't know my grandma audience big. I have mostly overgram me. Don't add me on gram though. And somebody said to me, say, pretty, you know see my Mackerel had this up Jenny because she did them on Jenny show, and Jenny said the life she is living is a prostitution life. You feel me? Personally, I could deal with this in education first. You a fuck a man where is not your man, somebody else man, and them a give you money and gratuities for having sex with you. What is that? Alright, in the interview, she said she get $80,000 a month for take people, man. She collect. She said she fuck some and she not fuck some. Right?
What did you give me in front of her?
And most of you me say a Bakar at this Jenny, cause Jenny tell her the truth, you know. Me asking her a question. Me asking her a question. No fuck the little girl herself. Uno blind, uno member the vine me have a girl who used to dep on everybody WhatsApp or say, you not to yourself, no? You not to yourself, no? You not to yourself, no? Yeah, you to yourself. Yeah, you to yourself, no? Yeah, you to yourself. Yeah, you to yourself. I know pussy me a sell, you know. But any man who you fuck me, I forgive me things. Mama, pussy a sell, mama. A pussy a sell, mama. You vex me. Mama, you don't have to tell me nothing. I the truth. She never said nothing wrong to your mother. She tell you the truth. The life where you live a prostitution life. And any girl where take people, man, and a fuck and a collect, on a prostitute, just like she do. And that is just the truth. All now go do. Cause people feel truth. What is prostitution? Giving sexual favors for money, gifts, and gratuities. Prostitution. No prostitution, sleeping with a man that is not yours, collecting money. Prostitution. You think of the girl mother on a back road alone, a prostitute? That girl live in a house with man, they don't even want that. The man there just show the man have money, a prostitute. How you got this the woman for tell it? Now you will say it, you will say. The woman said, so what do you get from dating people's man? Oh, I just collect. I fuck some and I no fuck some. Girl, I want to tell you. A prostitution, that girl. You can't tell me nothing. A pussy herself. She right, Jenny right. You selling pussy. A pussy herself. What you gonna try fix it up, boy? A people, man, girl, a pussy herself, go there. Go there, a pussy herself. Since you done, and you have nothing up here, so, and you know, the woman tell you, and you use your dunceness in you, You understand me I deal with? You go down in the depths of your dunceness and of course the woman to tell you the truth. What do you, girl? Girl, you need to go to blood clot school. People man now do nothing for you. Because I know on God you now make $80,000 a month. You don't look nowhere near $80,000 a month. You don't even look near to nothing to 5 bills of blood clot month, mama. You know your $200 blouse and your $300 shorts them. Everybody talk about money where you make no way. If you go in the Star read free, if you go up on R read free, if you go up on Jenny it free. Where money the way you make, where channel the way. No money you not make more than them a put on some blood clot plastic wig by your head and I put you out here so to sell them plastic wig. You idiot. But you're a prostitute. You're a low budget prostitute because you look like shit. Ain't nobody buying your pussy, little girl. Stop lying.
You know.
You lie, girl. You tell blood clot like nobody not pay for that the pussy the way you have under you. You're too blood clot ugly. Nobody not getting even 2 bills to fuck your dog. Big man thing.
I don't know. Then they're trying to go too. So
He's a dunce, a bumbo clot, illiterate, blood clot girl. You can't even form a proper pussy clot sentence. But you gotta tell me, say you get $80 a month. For who fuck you? You need education, Bobby. You need blood clot help, Bobby.
I don't know. No, this is no.
You need blood clot, girl.
You don't have to be on the bus.
Sit the fuck down. Boy, you have a 4-year-old son. When you which age you get him? Let's talk about that. Because we all can motherfucking check, bitch. Feel me?
Yeah.
And if I walk to school, you go. And not the right to you that for you get pregnant so early. You have a 4-year-old right now. And you selling fuck. Yeah, you hear what you say? For the interview. For the rest of your life, you take people, man. That means you don't have an aim, you don't have a plan in a life. You don't have an aim, you don't have nowhere to go.
That if they come get me, and I told them.
You not even have no reasoning blood clot ability. You don't have no reasoning ability. You talk like a dunce, you act like a dunce.
I'm like, just drive here and I'm
Yeah, blood clot dunce. Me no ask. How is you for this, Jenny? Jenny tell you the truth. Are the most respectable host that on the radio. Let me tell you that. I'm from Francois days them a come from. You know how long me I listen to radio, girl. Long time. And when me I listen to Jenny a morning time with fear question them what she actually educate youths to. You need to listen to our program more often. Look at ugly blood clot bitch. Boy, you sell blood clot fuck. Look at idiot girl. If you didn't listen to Jenny show from your little pitney, you would have done so.
And they told me if I'm going to
dance no blood clot and no come go on. Oh you mean? I fuck yourself. You tell the woman say I fuck yourself. And you say it no good there. Not me. You say you get $80,000 a month to take people, man. So the money is not yours and you fuck him and I get money. You're a prostitute, girl. No, the last time when I come and say she not too right, everybody cuss me and say me I hate her, me a this. So since she writing already, me can cuss her blood clot like I write it somebody then. You write it, because everybody say you write it, you know. Me know say you're not blood clot write it, but everybody say you write it. So me I cuss you like I write it somebody. Jenny talk to you like a mother that morning. Tell you the truth that morning. And you can't sap up the truth because you don't have the integrity, you don't have the ambition, you don't have nothing in you. More than to take people, man. You can't even listen to a well-educated woman like that speak to you and grasp some knowledge. You can't even grasp a little bit of intelligence out of what the woman actually put to you because you're that dunce. You need help, not Jenny, you know. You need help, you know. That lady went to school. She has education. You need some. Looking like a fucking little tall midget shaped with your thick motherfucking arms, boy shoulders and shit. Who the fuck trying to fuck a little tall looking ass midget? Huh? I pay for fuck you. You're a prostitute. And I can't go on like say you're blood clot, you idiot. When people are telling you the truth, you have to listen. You're an idiot. You're a prostitute. You say, when you get out of blood clot taking people, man, what do you say? $80,000 a month. When me telling the friend jump says this is a blood clot gully bop in the making and I think a joke. This is the gully bop for vlogging. You blind? The gully bop in the bumbo clot right in the whole of that time. I just say that because I ate on a bumbo clot. When last time I see my bumbo clot YouTube channel, it big. I don't got no motherfucking reason to hate. Fuck. When you dumb? Me just show them over this a while ago, man. See my laptop right there, sir. When time I done with the video them right there, sir, I upload them. I make money off of them. You hear what me I tell you now? I'm good. I ain't got no fucking reason to hate, but this lady told you the motherfucking truth. Your little dumb stupid ass can't even get that through your little cockroach ass mind. You're not good in your head none at all. What the fuck me need for you at all you for? I'm a pussy clatty that for you. Mama, you don't know how long me a rain 2 years now. Me a rain 2 years. 2 years, youth. Me don't need for you to your blood clot. Me YouTube channel big your fuck, youth. Instagram big over so big. Want you? You're fucking infilly, idiot. Not no funny boy. You me see I'll put up our next blood clot video. Say yeah make funny video with one youth with money and take the boy money and gone. An ugly blood clot creature like you can't take no money from nobody, man. And go nowhere. You get a pitney at 30. Move your bumbo clot idiot self or you say girl. I learn you, baby. Want you? You done the illiteracy where you are. I'm a girl, call me. You feel me I deal with Mackerel? Mackerel, you want to see me, girl? Mackerel, sitting like you can't hype on for me, girl. But, you know, always talk about a good girl and a cockroach like me and a man of fuck. Good as! I wish blood clot idiot boy fool you. Eh? You blood clot idiot. You sitting over with fuck and not talk. With shame. You blood clot fool. You know see so we can't fuck you and look for you. Me don't even know if you look for me or the wall. Or the pillar them. Or the shade. You fool girl. Which part are you? You can take my woman I want brown skin girl in a short and neat, you know. Which part are you? People good man. That is saying you want poison. Goody. How are you, man? When man fuck girl like you, them not even talk. Me! Mackerel, me not gonna talk it. Me just gonna show it. Turn on my laptop real quick, Mackerel. Mackerel, me a give you 500 US. Me I use one of Rising King word empire right now. We're gladfully fuck you. Me want, me I give you 500 US. We're gladfully fuck you and wife you. And left them girl and have you. I fuck you upon the side. Me want. Me show you. I don't know chatting to me. I show you the money. We're gladful. You hear that little girl? Ugly no blood clot boy you come attack. Wait there. You make me I forgot my password. As me turn on, you see as me turn on my laptop, mama, I write on YouTube it bring me. I write on YouTube it bring me. Me I show you a style. Me I show you a style, buddy. Me I show you a style. 11,000 subscribers, mama. One big platform that. Mama, you understand me? Nobody no put on blood clot plastic wig for me. Here go there. You show you how my money come out. Cause well on all someone on blood clot idiot about people are hate for the girl make she make her money. Make wish blood clot money when I idiot. When I think I saw make money in a vlogging go. Claffy. I saw making money in a vlogging go. So it go. When you hear that? I saw it go. When you can look on there and you see money. You see money? You see it? When you look on that go there and that's so. Nobody no put no bumbo clot wig for me girl. For 28 days you make 1,500 US and more. And 2 grand US too. You hear that? Boy, your blood clot idiot views. Go there, arm to you go there. No vlog gonna need for you to cause the whole of we make money and you know make none. Then just have you like one blood clot idiot to run around. Your mind there space. Your mind and everybody with around you, everybody will watch your mind there space. You feel me I do no? All money go. All money go. Nobody can come put the blood clot wig for me for sell it. Get which blood clot hype go there? You think a hype keep me? A vlog for keep me. 1 minute started out every day me used to tell them about, oh, blood clot put girl in a oven and fuck out them hole. And every day my blood clot topic them change. Get that blood clot right. Me work for this. You think I one topic keep me? You think I one topic build done? Fucking idiot. Oh, I'm telling you. When I think I 1 or 2 blood clot topic, man are the biggest deal, you know? When you confused just like she. Remember, mama, 2 blood clot years. Remember, so I'm still there. How much in 1,000 views, mama? Per a week, per one video on YouTube, 150,000 views. What you mean? When I hear that? But tell you what you mean start small. A whole heap of vlogger did all start to and still not have a channel where I make no money, girl. Remember that. Because I saw it going on. It's not forget the crowd, you know. It's to keep it, man, a realist. You hear that? A realist do this. And a one topic bill me. Remember my first viral? You know when me go viral for? I defend Jamaica. One time, everybody else is talking about, oh, I this way for do for your money, for send the money, can go now Jamaica. And this, and I immediately come out and I say, yo, what I'm telling you, we not beg on nothing. No rare, me go share that video the one time me done, because it's still up on Dan Parks, that same page. I hit it to go viral pan. Wendy Williams, Vegas. We can talk about hundreds of them, man. You feel like me I deal with? So one time me I talk about Furbin Tate, but on a rare. We work right there, so on the things that me did come right there, so I can talk about freak gal in a oven. Love you, auntie. Freak gal in a oven, and then they just be pretty than or being pretty than me still have to work for still there. One hype no means you can't diss Jenny. Because that woman never violate you. You violate yourself because you tell the woman. And you tell the blood clot woman say yourself fuck, hear you. Oh, me fuck some and me no fuck some. No, you up on Instagram and disrespect this big educated host where most of we as Jamaicans grew up and listen to. Jenny. Nobody have nothing bad to say about that the woman there. You feel me I deal with? Zidane go suck your mother. What I'm doing that? you can really support this little blood clot Zuzupek if you had this blood clot Jenny. When you know yourself knows that woman they never tell that girl nothing wrong. You wicked too, you know. As some know, you know. Now blood clot wagonist. Be a blood clot wagonist. Cause that big woman never tell that little girl nothing wrong. Only thing the woman tell her was the truth. But you can't come right there, so you can't talk about this and talk about that. I'm not glad say she this Jenny. All that woman, I want to go watch about the interview there, you know. A be education the woman I deal with her with. Or if you pass your place with Miss Jenny, we never disrespect you. The life that you were describing to this educated woman, it is of prostitution. So that's what she have to call it. It has a name, and she gave it the name. Prostitution. That's what it is, honey. You sleep with people's men, and you get $80,000 a month. It's prostitution. She didn't disrespect you. You said it. You said it. And that's her rebuttal, the truth. But in the end, she fuck with them from yasso, this, bring it come yasso. Oh, no, if it's a Jenny wrong. When Nicole, when she comment again, my black her. Oh, no, if it's a Jenny wrong. Jenny right. And the truth. Most of you know. Jamaican dirty woman where cause Jenny a wanna fuck people, man, to wanna sell fuck. And to the woman make you realize that fuck wanna sell no wanna hurt. Oh, you mean? Well, on there, Mela. Let me show you a thing now, Mela. Me want you to tell me what kind of disrespect. I'm going to tell you, I'm fuck girl. I admit to me I'm a lesbian. That is me admitting. Which part have I ever played a hypocrite inside of that? You are a stupid human being. Let's reason. When have I ever been a hypocrite about what I ever done in life? Everything that I have ever done, I have spoken it right here online. If I had sucked dick, I had said it already. Fuck men, I have said it already. Fuck women, I said it already. Whenever was I ever in denial of anything that I did? Shut the fuck up, lady. Remember who the fuck you're talking to. Not a regular being. I have education. And I will insult you in such. You feel me? You need to get your preposterous behavior away from me. You understand me? Because you guys walk around and you guys entertain all kind of stupidity. And when people speak the real shit, y'all can't even grasp it because your mind is as small as a fucking peanut. Y'all so fucking stupid. You feel me? Your mind is as small as a peanut. So when people speak real, you can't even grasp that shit. Because your mind is not wide enough, you dumb fuck. You understand me? What that lady said to that little girl was right. She said she sleep with people, men. Well, some. And she don't sleep with some. And her goal in all of this and her winnings in all of this, she gets money. $80,000 a month. She's a prostitute. I speak my life. Because none of you can judge me. That's God's job. I don't give a fuck what you think about me. I tell you everything about me. There's not one secret that I have. I had it and I let it go last year. You feel me? Me had the realest blood clot thing. Me never hold down nothing yet. So none of blood clot mix me. You hear that? She need to go to blood clot school because I did. enough days don't come out and hear me on top of my voice, but I have more education than most people that even talk to me on a daily basis. I'm telling you, on a daily basis, I will sit and have conversations with people and they'll be like, oh my God, you're nothing like what I watch online. Because guess what? Outside of me entertaining most of you, I have education. You understand me? I read a lot. Bitch, get that right, ho. Get that right. She don't look at that man say, you don't look like nobody will collect 80 grand a month for you take people, man. That is a lie where you spit out your mouth and be a free fuck you get. She got enroll in a school. I love you more, baby. I'm a real motherfucker. I ain't got time for this shit. You feel me? I speak on God and that's all that is. Remember how you talking blood clot truth. If I suck out one of them time, they yes, I did suck out. I suck pussy too. Man, give me back as already. I get mama and papa from. I get every position from man already. I talk it out of my mouth. I no hold down nothing. But I can't tell on this. I tell on this. I never fuck for things yet, though. Anybody want me there with, I just show me there with them because I like them. Whenever you come here, I can tell them, even the people, man, nice and comfortable. Me no come here so I can endorse selling fuck. Six is real, mama. I'll be a free fuck you out here, get in your mouth and in your blood clot hole. Enough people don't even want a free fuck from your goodie. Cause me know say you claim to say you bust all over your place right now. I know you don't get a fuck for your hole yet, girl. Nobody no find you attractive. Nobody no find your blood clot attractive. Them a laugh off of you because your blood clot ugly and favor mama. See how you look, yeah? I say you favor mama. You say me favor mama all of it? What's Zidane there? Zidane, you need a black comment again. Where in the moms? Let me look for him there, quick and fast. What's Zidane there? Zidane, hurry up, say something again out here. Scumbret. Say it again. Eh? Eh? She said she not get no bust up face. Well, I say it go. She a sell fuck and she said she not sell fuck too. We see her with the bust up face and she say her face not bust up. We know say girl a liar. We see bust up face. Go there. Go sit down in one blood clot corner, girl. We did see your face mash up, girl. Dog. You see me? Whisper Zidane them woman. Me nah see Zidane. Zidane me nah see you know. You want a cousin? When you make Zidane blood clean comment again. Zidane if you bad comment again one more time. I know. Zidane come. Cause someone who just come over here so what I'm telling you, go see your Zidane ugly then now. Zidane you ugly like. How happen? Ugly boy, how happen? I know one top man no fuck you. Nobody no know you're goodie. Nobody no want your pussy. You need to go back to school, boy, your blood clot to take people, man. Girl, people, man, don't want you. If you do what people, man, do with you? Eh? If you do what with? If you do what? If you do what? Girl, man, I don't fuck objects like you, girl. Objects like you when man fuck uno them not talk. I don't fuck them fuck uno. But $80,000 a month. Girl, if you get I don't fuck, oh, girl, how are you, girl? We do like a $60 fuck, a 60 Jamaican dollar them a fuck you for. Or one $10 cheese sticks and one blood clot kills. Girl, go sit down. I want to hear your favor one like a blood clot tall midget, thick like. We do like a man shoulder them. How are you, girl? Hmm? Zidane go suck out your mother, mama. Zidane, you know, look how long you top play a ball. You know, expire now. We are upon the live, yeah. I want to come, Brett Zidane. Zidane, you fuck out like you will your body will a leak like. You coming like ice truck. I want to happy ice. Your body will slack like. I want to him. Come get him now. Somebody come get this boy. Come get this boy. Get him some. Hey, someone get this boy. Someone come get this boy. Oh God, get him. She look like $20 dollar in blood clot. The girl look like mama. A mama, the blood clot girl look like Area 51 looking bitch. But you get blood clot $80,000 a month for do what? Girl, someone don't even want to sit like you for suck their hood much less. Move your blood clot from here so you can this Jenny. With yourself fuck. I should the woman tell you and bring you out to the light. You go on like. Your favorite blood clot saltfish pan stretcher. Your scaly like. Move your blood clot ashy ass right here. So your foot them dry like. I want to that dry foot girl ya. Your foot back then cracky like when drought take land. I wanted that girl ya. Someone come get this bitch. Someone come get this bitch. Someone get this bitch. Y'all better come get this hoe, bruh. Y'all get this bitch. Because I'm about to go in on this fucking Momo looking Area 51 ass bitch.
Damn.
Looking like a bitch.
Damn.
Someone get this hoe.
Damn.
Get this bitch. I'm about to go in on this hoe.
Get her.
Bitch, you looking like a whole $150 pack of cheap ass pads, bitch. The ones that give you those infections, hoe. You feel me? Bitch, you looking like those pills we put in the pussy for that yeast infection, bitch. Bitch, you looking like a walking ass STD, bitch. Get this bitch. Someone come get this hoe, bruh. Someone come get this hoe from in front of me, bitch. With your dry ass weave. Bitch, where the fuck you done get those weave from, bitch? You taking people's niggas, y'all ain't not buying no glue with your fucked up ass edges, bitch. Someone get this hoe, bitch. Get this motherfucking bitch. Now, I'm about to go in on this hoe, bitch. I'm about to go in on this bitch. Feel me? Your edges looking like the roads in Jamaica, bitch. Bitch, what the fuck is you doing? Huh? With your face looking like something a mother could love, bitch. Who the fuck is you, bitch? Ain't nobody wanna fuck your ugly ass. Talking about people paying your ass for your ugly ass pussy. Bitch. Get this bitch. Someone get this bitch. Get this bitch. I'm about to go in on this hoe. Get this hoe. Bitch, you selling that dirty ass pussy forward. You selling that dirty ass coochie forward. You ain't making nothing off of that coochie, bitch. $200 fucking blouse, bitch. That's $2 in America, bitch. $1.98, bitch. $1.98 blouse, bitch. You have one of those $3.99 motherfucking shorts, bitch. What you talking about, bitch? You ain't taking nobody's dick, bitch. Bitch, you need to sit the fuck in a corner, bitch. Bitch, who is you talking to, bitch? Is you talking to me, bitch? Bitch, miss me with your bullshit, bitch. Someone hold this. Someone need to hold this. Bitch, talking all that nonsense. Bitch, you talking all that gossip, bitch. You talking all that irritation, bitch. You talking all that infection in your coochie type shit, bitch. Huh? I'm gonna shut this bitch down. 80 grand pussy, bitch. You ain't got an $8 pussy, bitch. You ain't even got an $8 pussy, bitch. You ain't got even a fucking 99-cent sandwich pussy, bitch. Who is you talking to, bitch? Bitch. Okay? Bitch. I don't know who the fuck is you talking to, bitch. What you gotta miss me with that bullshit? Miss me with that bullshit, bitch, with your cheap ass coochie. Your coochie so fucking cheap, niggas hide and fuck you behind the fence, bitch. Bitch, you can't talk to Jenny like that, bitch. Who is you talking to, you broke ass bitch? 90 cents ass bitch. $10 ass weave bitch. Broke ass bitch. Suck dick for $10 ass bitch. Okay. Miss me with that butch, bitch. Bitch, what kind of bullshit you coming over here with? Period. Period. Miss me with this shit, period. Period, bitch.
What a lighter.
Period. Like, miss me, ho. Who the fuck is you? What's your 99 self looking at? Talking about you work, bitch. 80 grand. Bitch. Sit your ass in a corner. Hello? Go sit your ass in a corner, bitch. Go find yourself a space in that corner, bitch. Okay? Period. Period, bitch. You can't take nobody's nigga, bitch. Ugly ass. Period. I'm telling you that, period, bitch. Ain't nobody nigga want you. Ariel, hey. You section ass, ain't looking motherfucking bitch. Food stamp ass, oh. Bitch, who the fuck? Period, bitch. Bitch. Who is you? Fuck me behind the fence ass bitch. Fuck me under the cellar ass bitch. Fuck me in your homeboy's room on the floor ass bitch. Fuck me in your mama's bathroom ass bitch. Period. Alert, bitch. Talking all that friendly shit out of your friendly ass lips. Bitch. You petty. Cause you know no ain't nobody want your ass. Okay. Ain't nobody want your $2 looking ass, $3 hoe, $4 bitch, $5 bitch. Okay. Bitch, you don't look like 80 grand. Play too much with your ugly ass. It's always these ugly ones, honey. It's always these ugly ones out here, baby. It's always these ugly ass females out here, baby. Period. They the ones who do these shits. Ugly ass bitch. Period. Period, bitch. Period. Always these ugly ass hoes. Okay. Now you need to go get your little self, pussy self in order, bitch. Go find yourself a job, bitch. Feel me? Go sell some Jamaican fucking banana chips or some of those, like, cheese sticks or some of them shits. Feel me, bitch? Those bag juice or whatever the fuck. Feel me? Go downtown, do whatever, you feel me? Period. Period, bitch. Go get a job, goatie. You a goat. Ugly ass. Talking about you a prostitute, a cheap asshole. You feel me? You a cheap asshole. $20 bitch. Bitch, you already know you the girls on Biscayne. The girls on Biscayne ain't nothing but $20 motherfucking dollars to fuck one of them bitches. You a bulla bitch. $20 bulla bitch. You feel me? Ain't nobody giving you no 80 motherfucking. You've never seen $80,000, bitch. Can you spell $80,000, bitch? You can't even spell 80, but you want to have $80,000. You need to get 80,000 kicking your ugly ass, bitch. Miss me with your whole ass bullshit. Dumb as fuck.